It's almost a fact of life. Nothing drives better than a clean, shiny car. And here is the place that will keep your treasured car looking like it just came out of the showroom. A premier example of today's modern hand car wash. Excellent customer service, the latest and safest auto washing methods, attention to detail in drying and cleaning, and a superior customer waiting experience. The Super Shine experience starts in the service selection area. Here, a service advisor helps the customer select the desired level of service for their car. From a quick exterior wash and dry to the works, which is a full service wash, dry, and cleaning with premium exterior and interior treatments. After selecting their service, the customer is off to relax and enjoy the waiting room while their car is moved to the wash tub. Then a complete hand wash using soft hand mints. Your car is washed completely by hand to preserve the car's finish and keep it looking like new. After the first wash is the first rinse. Then another application of cleaning foam, followed by a second thorough hand washing and complete final rinse. And your car is hand washed twice and rinsed twice for a superior but gentle exterior cleaning. Your car is clean and free of scratches. During the wash process, if the customer desires, various premium protectants can be applied to the vehicle's finish. If the customer has requested any premium exterior services such as waxing or tire treatments, these are applied here. Next, the car is dried, first by high-speed forced air blowers, then by hand to prevent spotting. Now it's on to get a good interior cleaning. Here in the shaded cleaning pavilion, each car is carefully given an interior dusting. And the inside gets a thorough vacuuming, including seats, flooring, and floor mats. Detailing provides a more thorough, deep cleaning of the vehicle's exterior and interior. This intense service can bring most cars up to showroom quality in appearance. For cars with heavy oxidation and sun damage, the original shine can be recovered. While their vehicles are being washed and cleaned, our customers pass the time and comfort in our well-appointed waiting room. What our customers don't see is the heart of the car's equipment, which houses the soap and protectant dispensers, air compressors, and pressure washer pumps, the high-capacity vacuum equipment, as well as the laundry facilities. In no time at all, you're back on the road in your shiny clean car